thing will not send them. Shorty, go.
What's my one by one? No best side.
Give us biscuit 5 naira first. More to start. No, they try that thing.
Would they do this thing will not send them. Shorty, go. Oh, yeah, join them. See how I get them. No, they twerk here. Body show. Oh, yeah, work.
You got beer?
Bros, what was a beer this?
Okay, I bet you be like 4 bottles now. What they do?
Okay.
I bet give us chairs. Let me sit down.
Bros, I found out. I don't buy things. I won't give the chair.
What you down come in now?
We know they.
Where you the drive customers now? Which kind?
I don't know. No best. Now the only 2 chairs waiting every this. Yeah, big block for now.
No worry, no wahala. Go back for front now.
I beg.
No worry.
Una they go? Bros, what you now buy again?
Hey, bros, I beg give us pure water. Give us 2 pure water.
See, better do okay now. You do okay.
I beg, bros, come tell us how much you don't buy this morning.
Now 14 naira.
What? Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
You know what? I beg no vessel. We know 2 whole money come here, me and my brother. So what you have to say? I promise you, I swear. You know, past next year we'll give you your money.
Jesus is Lord. You know you can be prosecuted for that. Child. Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. Oh, my, you man, you know.